Good morning, guys. So last week when I was using the plow, I was having a little bit of an issue where I would press the button for the plow to go up and it would go up, but then when I tried to go back down with it, it didn't want to go down. So what was happening was I would hit the button and it would just click, click, click and wouldn't do anything. Sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. So I checked my connections on the motor in that to make sure those were good. Everything seemed okay there. So my next thought was, well, it's probably got a bad relay. So this is actually the relay for the winch on the Arcticcat. I ordered a new one because I took apart the old one and I didn't really see anything wrong so much, but I'm just thinking that it's getting old and failing. So this is where this relay is actually located, right here next to the battery. So I've disconnected, my power wires, and I took the relay out. So I'm going to install this new one today, and hopefully that's going to fix the problem. So let me get this thing popped in there, and let's see what happens. Okay, now this does have color-coded wires. You want to note where those come off when you take it apart. I just kind of left mine in the position where they were when I took them apart, so I'd know kind of where they went. So there's two studs on here that you drop this onto. And we're going to loosen up these nuts on here, just the color-coded ones. Okay, so this wire goes here. Put that back on there. Gotta be careful. There's two nuts on here. You don't want to take the bottom one off. You just make sure you're taking the top one off. This power wire goes on here. Okay, that is the power one. So we have a boot on there. We want to put that back on, kind of protect that. Okay, now we're just going to hook our power wires back up. And I'll go ahead and take this connector, plug this in here. This power terminal back on. Okay, so we got the power wire all resecured, all the different power wires, everything's hooked up the way it was. So, moment of truth. All right, so before she was going up, wasn't going down. Let's see what it does now. Beautiful. All right, guys. So if you have an issue where your winch isn't working in one direction or another and it's just clicking, first you want to check your connections, make sure those are all good. If everything looks good, then you're probably going to want to replace that relay. I will post a link as to where I got the relay. And as you can see, it's a quick, simple job, just taking a few terminals off, putting a new one in, and good to go. So save me a lot of stress and aggravation next time I have to plow. All right, guys, hope that helps. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share, a like, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you on the next one.